What's going on, everybody? Hopefully you had a wonderful day. Pump and dump, Bitcoin, Solana, price action has been absolutely crazy. Let's do an update and let you know what we did today. Now, if you're not joining us on the live streams, we took the VWAP slap not only once today, but twice today. We managed to make about $2,100 today just slapping the beep out of the VWAP today. Double slap and dip and then rip. So a dip and rip. Consolidation, actually very choppy price action today, and we managed to navigate it quite well, and we managed to actually set up the Discord pretty well as within today as well. So I was able to take both of these, and then I was able to give this trade setup, letting you know when I entered, letting everybody else know in the Discord when I entered, and that my target was here. Okay, and you can see this because I let you know live. I notify you that I long sold. I get into the trade position. Everybody join in the gang. We gave you guys the full trade setup, the targets. And guess what? Then I went golfing. Because we printed today. We printed, and the gang knew. And congratulations, gang. Let me know in the chat if you caught this so long. Much love. Beautiful target hit, and we printed while we were golfing. So come and join the Discord. Just come and hang out on the live stream. We gave this on the live stream as well. So come and hang out. We'd love to have you. But let's do some top-down analysis and really dive into this. If you want to know how to trade the VWAP slap, I teach it on the live stream. I have a couple VWAP videos. Maybe go check those out. But very choppy price action, and now we're cooling off. Will we continue? We're coming into our pink box today. We got a little rejection, and will it continue to the moon? We'll see. Everybody's getting a little bit too bullish, in my opinion. Everybody's like October, and I think some humble pie is about to be served hot and ready and fresh. So let's do a top-down analysis. So what I'm looking for tonight going into tomorrow, so that we are prepared. And what we do see here, what's important to note is that we do see. We've held this trend line pushing onwards and upwards. We've held the resistance pushing onwards and upwards. And we are in an area of decision. Okay, for me, understanding that everybody right now was looking at an inverse head and shoulders. If we zoom in here, 4 hour. And we look here, we have inverse head and shoulders, right? Breakout, neckline, all that good stuff. This would be quite juicy. If this does play out, okay, we would look for the measure move to bring us all the way up into 120,000, putting in a new high here, which would be good because that would change structure from high, break a structure, low, lower high, higher low, higher high. Then we would definitely be looking for a continuation out. Now, is that what we're going to get? I'm not convinced yet. Why? Because of the liquidity in the lows and the way we've moved up. If we're looking at the way we've moved up here, we have left a lot of liquidity for price action to return to. Okay, there's a lot of imbalance in here, and I wouldn't be surprised if we do come down. Now, we'll see what we get. We're going into a doozy of a week. Obviously, it has already kicked off. We have a possibility of the government shutting down. We also have non-farm payrolls, unemployment, and ISM services on Friday. I think that will be the doozy this week, but we also have ISM on tomorrow morning. So come and hang out with us tomorrow morning. We'll bring that in together, and then we'll bring in the non-farm payrolls for the jobs data as well. So a lot of things in the pipeline. Also, on October 2nd, which is Thursday, we have an Litecoin ETF. Then on the 10th, we have a possibility of a Solana ETF. So a lot of things are coming, a lot of volatility, so be prepared for that. Looking at the daily here. So let's look at the 3-day first, actually. So for me, look at this candle close. We were talking about this on the live stream. Bullish engulfing candle has printed, my friends, with a green dot. A bullish engulfing candle with a green dot. This is what we were looking at this morning. We said, as long as we can close above this candle here, we are looking to be bullish. And guess what? We got that candle. So that's some awesome news. Now, going into our daily, we can see that we are pushing up and consolidating in indecision after today. You have a push down and a push up and a candle close saying indecision, not knowing which way to go. Market cipher is posturing to the upside with great money flow and momentum pushing up, but VWAP looks to be cooling off. So a couple of mixed signals, maybe a little pullback and then a bounce and continuation up. So we could be looking for a higher low continuation trade. However, right now, that little bounce and push up could be sufficient enough to push us up into higher prices. Okay, so be aware of that. What we would be looking for is a breakout retest continuation off of this high from this high out of here. But we'll see what we get on the way up or down. Okay, looking at our 12-hour here, we can see that we do have a possible trigger wave that could roll over here if we do turn down. So be cautious here. We'd like to see this continue onwards and upwards. 8-hour money flows looking good still. 4, 3, and 2, and 1. Okay, so this is where it gets a little bit tricky, right? We have basic market cipher anchor trigger wave right here. So trying to push us down. This typically results in us coming out, but money is creeping up, which is counterbalancing this move. So can it continue to push? Quite possibly. Like I said, indecision at the highs. We'll see what we get. Double top, rejection. We'll see what we get, right? You can see the anchored trigger wave on the 3, the 2, and the 1. Now, the 1 hour does look like it wants to trigger to the downside, giving this an anchor trigger and a push down for a hidden anchor trigger push down. So be careful of that. Maybe a retest to the highs and then a continuation out of there. Now, let's go into the nitty gritty for all you DGen late night Australian traders. Shout out to the Aussies in the chat. And what do we have, my friends? Can we all say it together? Maybe type it in the comments. But we have a balloon dog, okay? Now, if you don't know what a balloon dog is, you definitely got to come and hang out on the live stream. And it's a double bottom bull flag, okay? So typically looking for a retest of previous lows and continuation out of this downwards flag. We'll see if we get it, okay? Overall, right now, if we look at our key levels and where we're looking to trade, we can zoom in here and look at that retest that we are looking for. So golden pocket order block up in here, we can extend that a little bit higher, and we'll see if we do get a potential for an opportunity to take this trade up into our macro golden pocket trend line, which is up here. Okay. Currently rejecting off of our golden pocket of the big range. So we'll see if that continues to hold. We didn't sweep this low. We didn't come into this order block. We didn't come into this fair value gap order block down here / golden pocket. And we didn't come into this order block down here. So like I said, there's tons of liquidity down below for us to take. So be aware of that we could easily come back down for this unless we want to just continue to push. We'll see what we get. Okay. So we're looking here. We're also looking for this thing to roll over, a potential lower low and a lower high as well. So watch the market structure here. If we break this low here, right? If we break a close below this low, then we're looking for a retest back into here and a possible rollover to the downside. Okay, we first want to see structure change overnight if we are going to get a rejection. I mean, the Discord has been printing on the weekend. We managed to take an amazing SUI trade. Everybody printed on that one. That has since paid everybody. That was over the weekend. Yesterday, we were able to take the short on Bitcoin from the high given in advance yesterday as well. And today we are able to take the Solana long. Okay, so we've been doing really well. Give yourself a pat on the back if you're making lots of money and you're kicking ass, taking names. This is never financial advice, so just hopefully this can help you. I'll update the charts in the Discord. God bless. Have a wonderful, wonderful evening. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.